Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the third video of our series in which we are discussing Gujarat Board's Class 12 Computer subject. And today in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 3, Designing Simple Website using KompoZer. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the question paper from March 2018. Let's go to chapter number 3. So from chapter number 3, the very first question is, which of the following file name is the home page of the website saved as? I'm repeating the question. Which of the following file name is the home page of the website saved as? The options are firstpage.html, index.html, first.html, home.html. So let's go to page number 55 and see which one is the correct answer. So we are on page number 55. Here you can see, generally, whenever we create the home page of the website, it is named as index.html, right? Every website is built inside directories on a web server, and each web page is a separate file on that web server. Whenever the user types the URL of the website in the browser, say for example www.schoolplaza.com, he or she does not specify the file to be opened, but the web server needs a default file name in order to display some content. This default file is the page named index.html. Thus, when we type a URL without the file name, the server looks for the default file and displays it automatically, right? So I hope you have understood this paragraph. Let's go to the question paper and check which one is the correct answer. So the correct answer is index.html, right? The next question is, to give caption to table if required, which option is used in table properties? Options are page title, caption, title, heading. Let's go to page number 56 to check the correct answer. Here you can see we have 5 different things. And number 4 is caption, used to give caption to table if required. Okay, then we have background color, to give a background color to the table. Table alignment, to align the table as left, center or right. The second one is border and spacing. It shows the border option in case you want to give a border to the table. And here we have 2 different things, spacing and padding. So spacing is used to specify gap between cells. Okay, and padding gives a gap between the edge of the cell and the text within it. So for an example, you can see these small boxes and you can notice space between these boxes. So this is called spacing. And then padding. So you can see this button, last picked color, and there are margins on the right side, top, bottom and on the left side. This is called padding. Okay, so gap between cells is known as spacing, and gap between the edge of the cell and the text within it is known as padding. The next one is size. It shows the number of rows, columns and height and width of the table. Height and width can be specified in pixels or percentage of the window. So these are the 5 elements. And here you can see the table properties dialog box. We have 2 different tabs, table and cells. Inside table we have the first one, size, the second one, borders and spacing, the third one, table alignment, fourth one, caption, and the fifth one is background color. So these are the 5 different things of table properties dialog box. Now the question is, to give caption to table if required, which option is used in table properties? So the correct answer is caption. Next question is, which option of image properties dialog box will display the text in case the image is not displayed in the browser in KompoZer? I'm repeating the question, which option of image properties dialog box will display the text in case the image is not displayed in the browser in KompoZer. And the options are alternate text, don't use alternate text, text, tooltip. Let's go to page number 57 to find out the correct answer. So as you can see, this is our image properties dialog box, and here you can see two different buttons, two different radio buttons. The first one is alternate text and the second one is don't use alternate text. Let's suppose you want to display an image on your web page, but for some reason the image is not being displayed. So in that case, whether you want to use an alternate text or not, so that thing you can decide from here. If you are selecting alternate text, you can type the alternate text right here. And if you don't want to use the alternate text, you can click on this button, right? So the question is, which option of image properties dialog box will display the text in case the image is not displayed in the browser? And the correct answer is alternate text. The next question is, which menu is used to change the page title of web page in KompoZer? So let's go to page number 60 to check the correct answer. So here you can see change the page title by going to format option and then select page title and properties option. Okay. So the correct answer is go to format and select page title and properties. Okay, next question is, which of the following is a variable that is stored on the user's computer? I'm repeating the question. Which of the following is a variable that is stored on the user's computer? Options are Java, integer, HTML, cookie. Let's go to page number 64. So as you can see, a cookie is a variable that is stored on the user's computer. They are useful as they provide feature to remember and track preferences, purchases, commissions, and other information required for better visitor experience or site statistics. JavaScript can manipulate cookies using the cookie property of the document object. Cookies can be read, created, modified, and deleted. Okay? So the correct answer is cookie. Okay, the next question is, from the following, who offers limited free space on the web server? The options are SSL, ISP, IDE, FTP. Let's go to page number 65. So as you can see on your screen, the topic name is publishing a website, and here you can see the Internet Service Provider or ISP offers limited free space on the web server, right? So who provides limited free space on the web server? The correct answer is ISP, Internet Service Provider. So the correct answer is option B, ISP. The next question is, what is the full form of FTP? Option A, first tool process. Option B, file transfer property. Option C, file transfer protocol. Option 4, file transfer process. So let's go to page number 66. So as you can see on your screen, FTP, file transfer protocol, is the means by which we can transfer the web pages from our computer to the web host, right? So the correct answer is file transfer protocol. Option C is the correct answer. The next question is, from the following, which are the open source web development tools? I'm repeating the question. From the following, which are the open source web development tools? Let's go to page number 68. So the topic name is other open source web development tools, and here the very first one is Aptana Studio. Second one is Blue Griffon, and the third one is Amaya. So Aptana Studio, Blue Griffon, and Amaya. So these are three open source web development IDEs. And other than these three open source IDEs, we have four more open source IDEs from chapter number 1, and those are KompoZer, Eclipse, JBuilder, NetBeans. And in chapter number 3 we have Aptana Studio, Blue Griffon and Amaya. So these are the 7 open source web development IDEs which are available in your syllabus. Okay. So option A Aptana Studio, option B Blue Griffon, option C Amaya, and option D all the given options. So the correct answer is D, all the given options, because all the 3 options are open source web development IDE. So we have covered all the questions for chapter number 3 from March 2018 paper. Let's move to the next question paper. So you have March 2019 paper on your screen. Let's go to chapter number 3. The first question is, which of the following is not an important point of the planning process of good website? I'm repeating the question. Which of the following is not an important point of the planning process of good website? Option A purpose, option B content, option C audience, option D ISP. Let's go to page number 52. So as you can see on your screen, following are the important points which should be considered for developing a good website as part of planning process. The first one is purpose, the second one is audience, the third one is content, and the fourth one is medium. So these are the 4 points which should be considered for developing a good website as part of planning process. And the question is, which of the following is not an important point? So purpose, content, audience, ISP. So ISP is not an important point of the planning process of a good website. So the correct answer is option D, ISP. The next question is, which of the following information should a website contain? Which of the following information should a website contain? Complete, relevant, complete, irrelevant, incomplete, irrelevant, incomplete, and relevant. Obviously, the option A is the correct answer, complete and relevant. Let's go to page number 53. So here you can see the topic is content. The website must contain complete and relevant information. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Next question is, where will the page title be displayed when web page is viewed in the browser? I'm repeating the question. Where will the page title be displayed when web page is viewed in the browser? Option A is on status bar, option B on title bar, option C on menu bar, option D on main window. So let's go to page number 55. So here you can see the title will be displayed on the title bar of the web browser. Where? On the title bar, right? So the correct answer is on title bar. The next question is, in KompoZer, which option of table tab of table properties dialog box is used to align the table as left, right, or center? We have already covered this thing in the previous question paper. Still, let's go to page number 56 to check the correct answer. So here you can see we have table properties dialog box and we have 2 tabs. The first one is table, and the table alignment will be used to align the content of the table to left, center, or right. Okay, table alignment. So the correct answer is table alignment. The next question is, in KompoZer, which menu option is used to change website title? I'm repeating the question. In KompoZer, which menu option is used to change web page title? So this question is also covered in the previous question paper, and the correct answer is format, page title and properties. The next question is, in KompoZer, which menu option is used to publish a website? Let's go to page number 65 to check the correct answer. Here you can see, to publish a site, go to file and click on publish, and you will get this publish page dialog box opened. Okay, we will discuss this dialog box later, but for now the correct answer is go to file and click on publish. The next question is, which of the following protocol is used to transfer the web pages from user computer to the web host? I'm repeating the question. Which of the following protocol is used to transfer the web pages from user computer to the web host? We have already discussed this topic, and the correct answer is FTP. Let me show you on page number 66. So here you can see, file transfer protocol is the means by which we can transfer the web pages from our computer to the web host. Okay, and for this you need FTP username and password. That is must. So the correct answer is FTP. The next question is, which of the following open source what you see is what you get HTML editor supports languages like English, Dutch, German, etc. And the options are Aptana Studio, KompoZer, Blue Griffon, Amaya. Let's go to page number 68. So here you can see the topic name is Blue Griffon. This is an open source web development IDE, right? And the same thing is mentioned over here. Blue Griffon is another free open source. What you see is what you get HTML editor, right? It can be easily downloaded from this website, and it supports languages like English, Dutch, German, Chinese and many more. Okay, so which open source web development IDE supports languages like English, Dutch, German, Chinese and many more? And the correct answer is Blue Griffon. So option C is the correct answer, Blue Griffon. The next question is, who developed Amaya free open source what you see is what you get web editor? So in short, who developed Amaya? www, Microsoft, Netscape or W3C? Let's go to page number 68 to check the correct answer. And here you can see the topic name is Amaya. Amaya is also another free open source. What you see is what you get web editor, developed by World Wide Web Consortium. So W3C. So W3C developed Amaya. And the correct answer is D, W3C. Full form of W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. Alright, so we have covered all the questions of chapter number 3 from March 2019 paper. Now let's move to the next question paper. The next question paper is from March 2020. Let's go to chapter number 3. So the first question from chapter number 3 is, which of the following plays a very important role in a business nowadays, which helps in promoting the business, selling the products and attracting a large number of customers? Options are KompoZer, JavaScript, website, HTML. So let's go to page number 52 to check the correct answer. As you can see the very first line, a website plays a very important role in a business nowadays. It helps in presenting the business to the world. Okay. So the correct answer is website. The next question is, which kind of information a website should include? Option A is in English language and translated in other language. Option B, general and detailed. Option C, complete and relevant. Option D, both B and C. So let's go to page number 53 to check the correct answer. Here you can see the very first line, the website must contain complete and relevant information. And here you can see the next line, the website content should be classified into general and detailed categories. Right? So complete and relevant, general and detailed. So the correct answer is D, both B and C option. Next question is, which of the following kind of content provides users with the detailed information on the site like products and services description? Options are relevant, with proper layout, general, detailed. Let's go to the same page number 53. Here you can see the detailed content provides users with the detailed information on the site like products and services description. Right? So the correct answer is detailed. Sometimes you just have to read the question properly and carefully, because as you can see now, the answer is inside the question itself. Right? So most of time you will get the answer in question itself. So read the question properly. The next question is, in table properties dialog box, which option is used to specify gap between cells? Right? Gap between cells. Let's go to page number 56. So as you can see, the topic is borders and spacing. And inside that, the spacing is used to specify gap between cells. Right? So here in this picture, table background color, you can see different boxes. Right? And between each box, there is some space. That is known as spacing. Right? So, which option is used to specify gap between cells? And the correct answer is spacing. The next question is, which option is used to create link in website? Which option is used to create link in the website? Let's go to page number 60. So here you can see, to create link, go to insert and then click on link. As soon as you will click on link, you will get this dialog box, link properties. Right? So the correct answer is insert and link, option A. The next question is, what should be provided if we transfer the web pages from our computer to the web host via FTP? We have discussed this question already. The correct answer is username and password. You can go to page number 66 to check the correct answer. Right? The next question is, which of the following open source IDE is used to create projects in PHP, Rails, Ruby or web? So let's go to page number 67. Here you can see the topic is Aptana Studio, and inside Aptana Studio you can see it is a complete web development environment which provides language support for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ruby, Rails, PHP, Python and many more. So the correct answer is Aptana Studio. The next question is, which open source editor is an intuitive application that provides web developers with a simple user interface which allows them to create websites without requiring in-depth technical knowledge? Let's go to page number 68. So here you can see the third line. It is an intuitive application that provides web developers with a simple user interface which allows them to create attractive websites without requiring in-depth technical knowledge. Right? So the correct answer is Blue Griffon. Right? So this was all about March 2020 paper. Let's move to the next question paper. So the next question paper is from May 2021, and the very first question from chapter number 3 is, which of the following is not an important point to be considered for developing a good website as part of planning process? Right? Options are input, purpose, audience, content. And the correct answer is input. You can go to page number 52 to cross check this answer. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, which of the following is a collection of interlinked web pages for a specific purpose? So let's go to page number 52 to check the correct answer. Here you can see this line, a website is a collection of interlinked web pages for a specific purpose, right? So the correct answer is website. Next question is, which kind of content provides an overview of the site, organization, products and services? Another item. Options are general, detailed, short, long. Let's go to page number 53. So here you can see the website content should be classified into general and detailed categories. So there are two categories. First one is general, second one is detailed. And in general category, the general content provides an overview of the site, organization, products, services and other items, right? So the correct answer is general. Next question is, in KompoZer, in insert table dialog box, which of the following tabs is not available? Let's go to page number 55 to check the correct answer. So this is insert table dialog box and here we have three different tabs. First one is quickly, second one is precisely and third one is cell. So we have total three tabs. And the question is, which of the following tabs is not available? So the correct answer is link, right? The next question is, in table properties dialog box, which option of table tab is used to align the tables as left, center or right? We have already covered this question. So the correct answer is table alignment. The next question is, in which tab of image properties dialog box custom size option is available? So let's go to page number 58 to check the correct answer. So as you can see on your screen, this is image properties dialog box and here are four different tabs: location, dimension, appearance, link. And inside dimension tab, we have custom size option available, right? So the correct answer is dimension. The next question is, in web browser, where will the title be displayed? We have already covered this question and we all know the correct answer. The correct answer is title bar. The next question is, in KompoZer, which menu option is used to publish a website? We all know the correct answer for this question. The correct answer is D, file and then click on publish. The next question is, what is the full form of ISP? We know the correct answer. The correct answer is Internet Service Provider. You can go to page number 65 to check the correct answer. So this was all about May 2021 paper. Let's move to the next question paper. So this is July 2022 paper. Let's go to chapter number 3. So the first question is, in which point of planning process of developing a website, the proportion of the different type and extent detailed and specific information is included? Options are purpose, content, audience, medium. Let's go to page number 53. Okay, so as you can see, the topic name is audience and notice this line. The proportion of different type and extent of detailed and specific information depends on the nature of the expected audience. So the correct answer is audience. Okay. Option C, audience, is the correct answer. The next question is, the website content should be classified into which categories? We all know the correct answer. that is general and detailed. Next question is, in KompoZer, which option of table properties dialog box is used to give caption to table? This is also repeated question and the correct answer is caption. Okay. Next question is, which one of the following tab is not available in image properties dialog box of KompoZer? Okay, so let's go to page number 57. So this is image properties dialog box, and here we have location, dimension, appearance and link. So option A is location, option B is appearance, option C is dimensions, option D is cell. So cell is not available in image properties dialog box, right? Next question is, in KompoZer, which menu option is used to insert a horizontal line in web page? Let's go to page number 59 to check the correct answer. And here you can see, to insert a horizontal line, go to insert and then click on horizontal line. This will add a horizontal line in your web page. So the correct answer is, go to insert and click on horizontal line. The next question is, to publish a website means to transfer the web pages, images and style sheets related to the site to a web server from which they can be accessed by the users. What is the name of this process? So let's go to page number 65. Here you can see the topic name is publishing a website, and the second line is, to publish a website means to transfer the web pages, images and style sheets related to the site to a web server from which they may be accessed by the users. This process is generally called uploading, right? So the correct answer is uploading. Next question is, from which website Blue Griffon editor can be easily downloaded? So let's go to page number 68. Here you can see the website is www.bluegriffon.org. So option C, www.bluegriffon.org is the correct answer. The next question is, which one of the following web editors has grown into an editor for many XML based systems? So let's go to page number 69. Here you can see the topic name is Amaya. It was initially started as an HTML or CSS editor and has now grown into an editor for many XML based systems. And here is the website to download the Amaya, www.w3.org/Amaya, right? So the correct answer is Amaya. So this was all about July 2022 paper. So in this video we solved 5 different question papers of chapter number 3, which is designing simple website using KompoZer, and we have covered almost every topic from chapter number 3. So I hope now you have better understanding of chapter number 3 and you will be able to answer whichever question will be asked in your exams. If you have any doubt or query related to any topic, please let us know in the comment section. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep learning. Thank you.